You're walking alone at night when a sudden sound explodes from the darkness behind you. Your heart slams. Your stomach drops. Within seconds, your face seems to lose all its color. Why would your body make you look sick precisely when it needs you to survive? The strange part is that this happens almost instantly. 1 second you look normal. The next, someone could swear you've seen a ghost. And in a way, your body thinks you might have. Most people think fear makes you pale because blood somehow drains out of your face due to shock. It sounds reasonable. You feel shocked. You look pale. Case closed? Except that explanation doesn't really explain anything. Where exactly would the blood go? Your body can't simply make liters of blood disappear. And if survival is the goal, wasting blood would be a terrible strategy. So if your face is losing color, something else must be happening. The real question isn't where the blood went. It's where your body decided to send it. Think about what happens the moment your brain detects danger. Not a confirmed danger, just a possible one. A strange noise, a sudden movement, a shadow in the corner of your vision. Your brain doesn't wait for certainty. It prepares for action immediately. Because in the natural world, hesitation could be deadly. And that's where the mystery becomes interesting. Your body is about to reorganize its entire resource system in seconds. Not because you're injured, not because you're sick, but because your brain thinks you might need to fight or run. The moment fear hits, your sympathetic nervous system switches on. This is the system responsible for the fight or flight response. Your adrenal glands release adrenaline into your bloodstream. That chemical acts like an emergency broadcast signal. Suddenly, your body starts changing priorities. Your heart beats faster. Your breathing speeds up. And your blood vessels begin to tighten. This narrowing of blood vessels is called vasoconstriction. In simple terms, some of your body's blood highways become narrower, and many of those highways happen to be in your skin, including your face. Less blood reaches the surface. Less red color shows through. You look pale, but that's only half the story. The important question is why your body would choose to do that. Imagine a city suddenly receiving a wildfire alert. Traffic controllers instantly close scenic roads and redirect every available lane toward evacuation routes. Your skin is the scenic route. Your muscles become the emergency highway. That's exactly what your body is doing. It isn't removing blood. It's rerouting it. Instead of sending large amounts of blood to your skin, your body sends more toward the muscles in your arms and legs. Those muscles may soon need to sprint, climb, push, fight, or escape. The blood follows the mission that matters most. And right now, looking healthy isn't part of the mission. This response has deep evolutionary roots. For most of human history, danger wasn't an email or a scary movie. It was a predator, a rival, a fall, a real physical threat. The people who could rapidly shift resources toward survival had an advantage. More blood-reaching muscles meant faster movement. More oxygen delivery meant greater endurance. A stronger heart output meant better performance under pressure. Some researchers also think reduced blood flow near the skin may have provided another advantage. If you were injured, less blood near the surface could potentially reduce blood loss. Whether that benefit was large or small, the main purpose remained the same. Prepare for action. Immediately. But not everyone turns pale to the same degree. You've probably seen someone become almost ghost white from fear. Others barely change color at all. Part of that difference comes from genetics. Part comes from skin tone. Part comes from how strongly the nervous system reacts. And in extreme situations, something even stranger can happen. Some people faint. Instead of staying in full fight or flight mode, their nervous system suddenly overcorrects. Blood pressure drops. blood flow to the brain decreases, and consciousness briefly shuts off. Different reaction, same underlying emergency system. Your body is still trying to protect you. It's just taking a different route. So the next time someone says, "Fear drained the blood from your face," you'll know that's not what happened. Your blood didn't vanish. Your body didn't malfunction. A highly tuned survival system simply changed its priorities. Within seconds, your brain transformed your circulation network into an emergency response operation. The next time fear washes the color from your face, remember, your body isn't shutting down. It's quietly rerouting traffic to the places most likely to keep you alive. If this surprised you, subscribe. We post a new body mystery every day.